Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to warp an image on Pixlr. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pixlr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pixlr website. If you haven't already logged into your account, click on the login button at the top section and use your credentials to log in. After logging in, go ahead and click on the Pixlr editor option and then open whichever image you would like to warp. Once you have chosen your image, you will be taken into the editor menu. Now, in order to warp your image, if you wish to warp the whole image, then you can simply click on the edit option and click on free distort. From here, you can simply start warping and distorting your image based on your requirement. You may also use the select tool and then choose the area that you want to distort or warp and then click on the edit button to choose the distort option. And now you can once again start to distort your image to warp them as you wish. After making your desired edit, you can click on the apply button and download your image. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to warp any image on Pixlr. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.